YouTube family, Merry Christmas, y'all. Enjoy today's. I know I am. I want to come on here for a couple minutes just to show you my outfit and say Merry Christmas to y'all. This is my outfit. It's cute. So all I'm gonna do is eat a little food, watch some movies, drink a little wine, enjoy myself, dance a little bit. I hope y'all do the same, but be safe. And it's so cute. I don't know what shoe I'm gonna wear, but I might put on a house shoe. I just want to show y'all that and tell y'all I love you, Merry Christmas, and come back and see me.